In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to drop items in Arcane Lineage. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you the key that you need to use to drop any items that you have on your inventory, and I'm also gonna be talking about specific items that cannot be dropped. So, first, this is going to work for PC and mobile. I'm going to demonstrate this on PC, but there is going to be a specific button on mobile. All that you have to do is open your inventory, so press B on your keyboard and highlight the specific item that you would like to drop. In this example, this slime chunk. Now, press backspace on your keyboard and immediately the item will fall. Now, you can go ahead and grab it back if you want. So, you just have to walk over it and then select it, and you will be able to get the item back. Just make sure that you are close and you highlight it here. Now, some items will not allow you to drop them. So for example, the weird accessory, if I try spamming backspace, as you can hear, nothing is happening. But for the slime chunk, it is going to work flawlessly. So all that you have to do to drop items is press backspace on your keyboard, and if you are on mobile, there is going to be a very specific button that you have to press. Sadly, I don't have footage of this button, but usually it is going to be hidden beneath all the other things that you can do, so all of the actions such as sprinting, jumping, dashing, and so on. But to answer the question in the title of this video, like I said, you just have to press backspace on your keyboard or find that specific button. Make sure that your character sees the item here and it is going to be dropped. You can pick it up again by walking over it, and you will be able to get rid of the item if needed. So like I said, some items will not allow you to drop them. In this example, the weird accessory, I cannot get rid of it no matter how hard I try, and most items will allow you to drop them. Keep in mind that if someone is trying to drop you items, both of you need to be on the same difficulty or else you will not be able to pick them up. So if you are dropping items from another player, they will only be able to pick it up if they are on the same difficulty as you. I hope I was able to help you on how to drop items in Arcane Lineage. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.